Alright, here's another example. We have the limit as x approaching pi over 2 plus, and then we have cosine x over 1 minus sine x. As always, plugging this into all the x's, cosine of pi over 2 is 0. And then sine of pi over 2 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we get to use L'Hopital's rule. And here we go. Let me just write this down right here for you guys. And let's go ahead and differentiate the top and also differentiate the bottom. This becomes the limit as x approaching pi over 2 plus. And even though this is a one-side limit, but don't worry, all right? This right here still works. On the top, what do we have? The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. And then for the bottom, the derivative of 1 is 0. The derivative of negative is still negative. The derivative of sine x is cosine x, so we have cosine x like this. And now check this out. This and that becomes positive, of course. Sine x over cosine x is just tangent x. So this question becomes, what's the limit as x approaching pi over 2 from the right-hand side? And then we're just looking for the tangent x function. So how do we do this? Well, in fact, if you plug in pi over 2 into here and here, you will end up with 1 over 0. And remember, for this limit form, either we get positive infinity or negative infinity. We have to just observe the sign, right? Either positive or negative sign. But once you have tangent, you can also just think about the graph of tangent x. And I'll just write that down for you guys right here. So here is the graph for tangent x. We have vertical isotopes for tangent. And the first one is at pi over 2 right here. So this is pi over 2. And then the other one right here is negative pi over 2. And the graph looks like this. So just go up like this and then like that. And then, of course, we have many copies of that. Infinitely many copies of that. So this right here is y equals tangent x. Now, we have this graph in mind, right here. Not in mind, it's right in front of us. What's the limit as x approaching pi over 2 from the right-hand side? Have a look. Pi over 2 is here. Use your right hand or right finger. You see, the curve goes straight down, right? The curve goes straight down. Therefore, the answer to that is negative infinity. Yeah, just like that.